Hi there. Today I'm going to show you a little known rule from the game of Monopoly, and it's all to do with buying properties at the beginning of the game. And say for instance I'm over here in the car as my token, and I throw a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I land here on Fleet Street, which is 2.2 million Monopoly dollars, and nobody's owns that yet because there's no houses on it. Well, rather than actually paying the 2.2 million, I'm allowed to decline that and force the banker to put the this property up for auction straight away, and that's an opportunity for me to pay a lot less than that $2.2 million. But obviously once it goes to auction, then the players on the playing are able to bid for that property at auction. And I'll just show you the rule. I've photocopied the rules here from Monopoly, and I've highlighted blown them up a bit so they make it a little bit easier to see. And I'll just go through that rule with you so you can see where it's come from. So buying properties, if you land on an unowned property, you have the first choice to buy it. If you decide to buy it, you pay the banker the stated price. But if you decide not to buy it, it's up for grabs, and see auctions below. So then in auctions, if you decide not to buy a property after landing on it, the banker must immediately auction it to the highest bidder, starting at any price another player is willing to pay. So even though you declined the option of buying at the original price, you may join in the bidding too. So there we go. So I've landed over here on Fleet Street, and that gives me a chance of, if I want to buy that property, declining it when I land on it, and it goes straight up to auction, and it might be a chance, especially if the other players aren't that interested in it, another chance for me to buy that property at a lot less than the 2.2 million asking price for Fleet Street. So there we go. That's a little known rule from Monopoly. It's a rule when you're starting off and accumulating properties. It's forcing the banker, or the banker must put the property up for auction. If you don't buy it straight away. Okay, hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.